Travis County's district attorney keeps her job.
A visiting judge from San Antonio ruled Rosemary Lehmberg is fit to serve after her DWI last spring. KXAN's Chris Sadeghi has been following this case all week and joins us live now. Chris?
Shannon, after Judge David Peoples denied the petition, you could almost feel a collective sigh of relief in the courtroom, probably none bigger than that from Rosemary Lehmberg. She said the last 8 months have been extremely tough. Of course, there was the DWI, then the video showing her behavior in jail. Then she spent 3 weeks in jail, then 30 days at an Arizona recovery facility, and then had to deal with this trial. The state's argument that allowing her to be DA would be against the public interest obviously fell short in the judge's mind. Her defense team argued she is recovering. She has accepted responsibility, and her diagnosis as alcohol dependent has not affected her or how the office operates. Afterward, Rosemary Lehmberg talked about moving forward.
I just want to thank this community for giving me a chance, and I promise you I will work diligently to do the right thing as I always have done. Thanks.
And Lehmberg went on to say that she said over and over that her behavior that night was inexcusable, that she'll do everything she can to fix it and make sure that nothing like that ever happens again. We're live at the Travis County Justice Complex. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.
Taking a deeper look, much of this week's civil trial centered around Rosemary Lehmberg's possible dependence on alcohol. The state unsuccessfully made the case that Lehmberg is an alcoholic and had not learned to manage that disease. While she will keep her job, Lehmberg will face a long road ahead. We spoke with Austin Recovery about the different options.
There are a lot of different paths that people take to recovery, and what people often find is the most helpful is piecing together a lot of different things. So 12-step groups, 12-step community is incredibly important for many people in their recovery and in staying sober. Other people also find that it's helpful to work with a doctor in addition to a 12-step group.
This is a story we have been following since Lehmberg's arrest back in April. Online at KXAN.com, you can look back on all of Chris Sadeghi's tweets from inside the courtroom, as well as a look at the history of DWI and politics in Texas.